Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to do it on TikTok. If you are using TikTok and you want to make duet for a TikTok video, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your TikTok app and here you have to select the video for which you want to make a duet. So for example, I'm going to select this video. Simply tap on the share option and there's a video here and just select the duet option here. Just select that and you will go to the camera or the TikTok video creation page. And from here, you just have to tap on this camera option to record a video. Now, once you have done, just release that and then tap on this markup option. So here, your video is now ready. You just have to tap on this next option and you can upload it from here. So in this way, you can easily create a new duet on your TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.